Gone are the days of normal watches. At this time, when everyone is switching over to smart wearables, the price might make your wallet sad. But then there's the Mi Band. It only costs you around 2000 rupees. But can it get any more cheaper? The M3s band costs only 600 rupees. Yes, you heard that right. And feature-wise, it's no less than the Mi Band 3. You get a 0.96-inch LCD display, 90 mAh battery which can last a week on full charge, and Bluetooth 4.0. Coming to the fitness part, it can track all your activities, measure your heart rate, oxygen count, calorie burnt, and can even monitor your sleep patterns. Moreover, it supports lift to wake up. You can just lift your hand and the screen will automatically turn on. And the best part, it can show the notifications that you get on your phone. And you can also attend calls directly from the band. There's also a find device feature. You can use your phone to find your band and also use the band to find your phone. All these can be seen and controlled from the Fundu app, which you can get from the Play Store. It's a pretty straightforward app. Upon opening, it will show you how to connect your band and manage all the apps that can send notifications. You can also set reminders and alarms to the app. The app syncs stuff every now and then, so you can view all your data from your phone. You can also use the band as a remote shutter key. You don't get any charge adapters with this because you don't actually need one. You can just remove the body from the strap and plug it in your PC or your phone's charger. It usually takes around 1 hour to get fully charged. These were the good stuffs, but like every other thing, it has got some downsides too. The display is not fully a touchscreen like in the Mi Band. There's a particular area at the bottom and it can sense only two kinds of inputs, a single touch and touch and hold. But that does not limit the navigation through the menus. Once you learn how it works, it's pretty simple. Then there's the LCD display. At times like when you're directly under the sun, it's a bit hard to see the display even in full brightness since it's not OLED. But at this price, you can't ask more. So yeah, if you want a smart band under 1000 rupees and that too without missing any features, the M3s is the one to buy.